Yeah, come on, go.
Come on, guys.
Noah, go. Come on, get the ball.
Let's go, Arian.
Keep going.
Keep following it. There you go. Let's go, Jay.
Should we move back?
Back up a little bit. Hey, you guys same team on one place. Spread it out. I'll come back. I'll come back. I'll come back. Good job. Go.
Right, Omar, the other way. Go the other way. Down the middle, Omar. Down the middle. Come on, take it.
Pass to Troy.
Guys, get up there.
Come on, Logan, last. That's your finish.
Get that.
Get that ball, Logan, last. Hey, come on.
Keep going. Go.
Sorry.
Stay up. You're fine. Grab the right. Logan, keep right. Logan, left. Third. Push it upfield, Hawks. Push it upfield, Logan.
Keep going to the line.
Nice hit.
Go.
Back,
Yeah,
go.
go.
Come on, Troy.
In the corner?
Let's go, guys.
Pass your team.
Take a shot.
Come back.
Drew, get back.
Baba, ready. Baba, come forward. Baba, shoot. Come on.
Corner kicker, goal kick. Logan, right there. Nolan. Back up. Logan. Right there. Calvin, stay there. Omari, move to the peak line. Back up. Devin, right over. Get it. Sorry, that's got to be you. Come on, hard boot. Outside. Go down the middle. Come on. Here you go. Omari, peak line. Back up. Come on. Logan, peak line. Calvin, right there. Gav on the circle. Logan, up to the line. Logan Burdett, up to the line. That's you, Omari. Keep going, Omari.
You gotta stop going up there. Stay. Take that ball.
Kick it out. Let's go.
Only go up there when they're down there.
Get on it, Calvin. Drop it. Stay on it, Calvin. Stay on it. Let it have it, Logan. Don't get in there. Back up, Brad. Back up. Here, Logan, let's go.
There you go.
Control the ball, control.
All right, go ahead. Go. Come on, Jack.
Who's through?
You.
Aaron, make sure your feet on the ground.
Behind the line. Arian, behind the line.
Good job. Keep going. William, it's your ball. William, get it.
Move up, guys.
Keep going, hold it. Right back to him, Logan. Back to him, Logan. Outside. Get up there, Logan, last. Step up. Down the middle, May. Get in there, Mark. Kick in the middle. Get ready, Mark. Go. Kick it up, go.
Biết cậu rất là phi sự giống
Let's go, Aaron. Take it back. Let's go, Troy. Troy, come on.
Caleb, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Guys, get up there.
On the line, on the line.
Watch your body.
You are, good job, boys.
Let's go.
Okay, come on. Get ready.
Down the line.
I got it.
Down the line.
William,
Right
come
on.
here.
Go down the line.
Get out of the way. Go back to the line.
Kick in the middle, Mark. Kick in the middle, Dave. Kick the ball, Logan. One time. Logan, one time.
Go.
Let's go, Troy. Take it down and you get over there. Hard Prince.
Good job, Troy. Keep going.
Nice.
Outside. Turn on it. Outside.
Go, take it.
Back to the inside. Go. Back to the inside, Logan. Down. Hey, good job. Place the ball in place. That's how it works. Right there, see? Hey, Logan, good job. All right, that's the wall. Logan, you started that.
Play, everybody can play. Take care. Lola, you got this side. Caleb, go up there. Troy, come on this way. Yeah, come on. It's the same thing. Keep going. Help your team. Help your team. Go. Henry. Go. All the way.
Cross it. Move up there, Noah. Get it, Noah. Move it, Noah. Come on, Noah. Back up, Brian.
Up. Go down. Come up to the yellow line. Keep coming.
This way. Take it.
Come on, David.
Yeah. Keep going, Lash.
1 second. Aaron, over here. I'll next one. I'll do one right here. Aaron, you're correct. Stop. Aaron, you're right on the. You're left forward. Now go forward. Go.
Aaron, where's the ball? Aaron, where's the ball? Yeah, ball side, Dev. Dev, rotate the ball.
Go after that ball.
Right there, Dev.
Go after that ball.
Go. You ready,
Ready to go, Aaron. Aaron, go to the ball. Aaron, go to the ball. You got save it. Aaron, down one.
Get the ball, Jay!
Cross the middle. You gotta get.
Come on, Aaron. Don't kick it up. Kick it in the middle, Aaron. Kick it to the middle.
Okay. Aaron, get up to the line. Go up to the line. Go get it. Aaron, stay back in position. Go forward. Hey, Devin, you're offside.
Stop. Amy, what's it up?
Devin, you gotta stay outside.
Go.
Get it, Calvin. Over here. Get back, Omar. Come on. Yes, sub. Yep. Right.
You don't have it. Just stay there.
Calvin, move back. Don't go too far. The ball, you're on defense. Calvin, move back. Calvin, just ball side of number 5. Calvin, the other side of number 5. Sit between them. Don't chase it. Just stay in front of him. Right there. Go. Pump it up. To the middle, Easton. To the middle. Don't chase it. Stay in your spot, Easton. Easton, stay in your spot. Kick it. Follow Scott, Aaron. That was your goal right there. You left it. Turn around, Aaron. Aaron, follow that ball. Get to Aaron. Move it up. Pass it up. Come on, Calvin, get to the line. Come on, another. Pick it up in the middle. Get to that, Murray.
休息啊我
Get to it, Calvin.
Nice Marcus, let's go!
Get to it, Leo. Move it.
Nice pass!
Get to it, Leo.
Try in the middle! Try in the
Bump it back. Let's go.
但是看我到哪里，我哎，基地打的。
Up. Come on. Get back, Omar. Come on, get back. Up. Goalie.
Good job, good job.
Throw it in. There you go, Remy, go ahead.
Go get him.
Go, Remy, go, quick. Run, Nolan, turn around. Go, Lonzo, run. Go, Aaron, get the ball!
Take that ball.
Boot it up. Hey, keep it up. Good job. Keep it up. Amon, I want you to pick it up.
Get in there!
Hey, you guys, go
Come on,
up.
guys! Go, Nolan, go, Nolan. Slow down, slow down. Pass the middle. In the middle.
Nice, Arian! Come on, Arian! Let's go! Marcus!
Outside, outside, go. Come on, Aaron, go. Go wait for it, Aaron, get to it. Pass in the middle. In the middle. Go.
Good job! Get it out of there! Yeah, good job, Danny! Hey, let's go, Troy! Come on, Marcus! Kick it down!
Go, Logan, outside. Go, Aaron. Aaron, don't wait for the ball. Go get it. Aaron, quit backing up for the ball.
There you go! Down the middle, guys! Come on, Jack, hit it hard!
Get to it. Go, Aaron. Let it go. Let it go, Aaron.
Good job, William! Nice, Arian! Let's go, guys! Come on, Danny!
Go, get to it. Alonzo, go. Come on, Alonzo. Put on that,
There
Alonzo.
you go, Troy! Down the middle!
Take it outside. Take it outside. Take it outside. Take it outside. Take it.
Yeah, Danny, good job! Let's go, guys! Pass it! Pass it to Caleb! Come on, Caleb!
In the middle.
Go up, guy, go up.
You're playing that floor, Devin. On the box. Here.
Good job. Lấy vô, lấy vô đi.
Come get some water!
Calvin.
Take throw. Take throw. Take throw.
Down the line. All right, right now, stop right there. Right now, right now.
Good job, you guys.
Really now.
Good out there.
Inside.
Here.
You got time. Throw it.
Now you gotta push yourself.
Throw it in.
Guy.
Throw it in, Red.
Come over here, guys. Over here.
Heel, back up. Ready. That's when Nolan's up there. In the middle, Logan, last. In again. In the middle. Logan, step there. Logan last. Logan last. Logan last, stop. Get up the field. Up the field. Logan, stay where you are. Logan, get up.
Throw the ball over here. Let them.
Logan last, up. Go up the field.
Hey, there you go. Right there.
Yeah, turn it this way.
Like everybody that are like that's a goalie shot to the ball into that.
Are there any subs? You can ask the referee for water breaks.
One on one. Good job. That is a throw. Come on, take it, pass your team. One more.
Step up. Get good, Logan. Come on, Logan.
What is? Aryan, take it. Aryan, you take it. Aryan, take it. Let the Aryan take it. Okay, Aryan, you take it.
Oh no.
Defense, ready, Jack, come on.
Want to sit down next to Dehan? Fiona?
Down the line, right? Down the line. Hold on, Remy, hold on. Almost halftime right now.
Come on, David. Push it up, David. Push it up.
Come on. You got it, David. Take your time.
Come on.
Outside. Go.
It's a goal kick.
To the middle, Logan Lash. Logan Lash, stay up there. Hey, Mari.
Silas, Ethan. Silas, Ethan, let's go. Silas, off the field. Stop! Go in for Henry. Subs! Raymond!
Come on, Devin, go. Now, Devin! Logan Lash, you should be up there.
Kick it!
Guys, spread out. Get on the line. Devin, get up. Devin, get out to the line. Devin to the box. Devin, get up to the box now. That's you, Dev. Dribble it. Down in the mark.
David, watch it.
Come on, Dev. Get back to your spot. That's your spot. Get in. Down on it. Come on, Dev. Let's go, Journey. Come on, Riddick. Come on, back up.
Go on, keep going. It's okay. Come over here, Baba. Come over here. They're gonna throw. Marcus, come on the line. Hey, you guys spread it out. You got 3 on 1. Same team. Still same team.
Spread out.
Half time, okay. Hey, come on, everybody, just play. Come on. It's half time.
Not fair.